Hornady American Gunner Ammunition. Hornady proudly introduces rifle calibers to complement the handgun offerings currently available in the American Gunner line of ammunition.
This year, we're introducing the American Gunner rifle. Popular calibers loaded with match-grade bullets for you to go to the range, plink away, enjoy yourself, have a good time, enjoying shooting.
Initial rifle introductions include .223, 6.8 SPC, 300 Blackout, and .308.
All of these options are loaded with our match quality hollow point or bowtail hollow point bullets. So they give you the best choice out there for match shooting, plinking, or even small game or varmint hunting.
Made in the USA with premium components, American Gunner Ammunition combines generations of ballistics know-how with modern components and technology. American Gunner rifle ammunition is loaded for precision and performance. Exceptionally accurate, American Gunner ammunition is the perfect choice for all shooters. Hornady American Gunner Ammunition, proudly made in the USA.